What is up, guys? Today we will talk about how you guys can do the Tron trading Telegram bot. Now, there are some Tron trading Telegram bots, and I'm going to tell you how to use it and which one is good. So, for that, we will open up our Telegram, obviously, and in the Telegram, I'm just going to search for NFT. Now, searching for NFT will bring you this Telegram trading bot. Let it just load first, and you'll be able to see Telegram trading bot just pop up. Now, here you just have to click on that, and this is the bot. Here to get begin with, you just have to click on this start and there you go. Your Telegram bot has begun. Now here what you have to do is first of all, you need to click on this buy section. Once you click on this buy, they will want you to enter a token address or so here you just have to click on this app and then it will open up the web. In the web, what you have to do is you just have to select the link or the token you want to trade in. Suppose this is it. You just have to click on that and then you just have to connect your wallet. Once you do that, what you will do is you'll be able to see different trading assist right here in the NFT. So that's very much it. That's how I'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.